Hello everyone! In this video, I will guide you on how to post stories simultaneously across multiple Facebook accounts. First, open Care software and select the Content Management section. Since I'm posting a video, I'll set it as a video file and manage it within Live folder. Now let's proceed with posting. Choose the Story Post function, then select the content and the accounts. You can also configure a few simple settings as you're seeing me do here. The software will automatically post the story for you. If you want to implement this software, please contact me via the information in the video description for guidance. See you in the next videos.